Welcome to contactcenterworld.com. How to use the online conference workbook. First, log into your account. Enter your username and password. Click My Page. Scroll down. Click Conference Workbook. Click Instructions on how to use the workbook. Read all the details on how to use the online workbook. After reading all the instructions, you can go back to the conference workbook page. Start a new note. Click New Blank Note to start your own note. Write a title and content about your note here. You can always check the instructions again here. Click Save Changes. Thank you for watching this demo. Please check other demos and don't forget to network with other members, to check out our award programs, and to consider coming to our events, where the best in the industry speak. Bye for now.